Get to know your car. It takes a few minutes. Nothing wrong with asking questions out there. We have settings, vehicle, lighting setup, interior, light dimming. 15 seconds, 30 seconds, and 60 seconds. Back out. I don't need to look into headlight, auto light sensitivity, auto interior illumination sensitivity, and auto headlight on with wiper on. Don't need to look at that. I'm going to hit home. Off topic on a side note. No matter how fast I hit these things, that's pretty fast. Somebody complained they plugged their phone in and they tried to do things super fast. It doesn't respond to them. So, yeah, if I do this and go there, you see how long it's taking it to respond, and that's the processor. On the dash and on the console, there is no light here. It's one less thing that Honda has to worry about. 2017, when we pulled the emergency brake, the light comes on. It took about almost 2 seconds. And we left the emergency brake on. There was a parasite drawer. Let me bring the camera close to the illumination dash. I'm going down below. I'm going to try to shut my light off by pressing down or pulling up. I cannot get the emergency brake off. To release parking brake, plus push. I'm on the brake. I'm pushing. I no longer have my parking brake on because I followed the Windows prompt, the cluster, the instrument prompt. When I shut down the car, you will not see the emergency brake light. But if I set the light, you can hear, but you're not going to hear, the rear plastic gear module engage. So whenever this is on all the time, you're going to hear it engage and disengage. I have another car, a Toyota Corolla. It's a lot louder than that. Now when I shut the car off, 15 seconds, this light will not go off at the 15-second mark. It will stay on and shut off at a 10-second mark. So all the lights in the car will dim. The e-brake light will stay on for 10 seconds. The car is off. I'm going to open and close the door. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 seconds, it's off. And another 7 seconds, the lights above are off. I'm going to restart my car. Fasten seatbelt. It's telling you, in order to leave, nothing. The only way to get that off is to press the brake, go into drive. When you get off, the brake, your emergency brake is on. And I am not on anything. So what have we learned? You cannot move the car when the e-brake is on. Well, let me go forward. Release parking brake. So the member who asked the question, and I press it down to release it. My suggestion is the way we all learn. We go out and we look and we try to figure things out and we learn on that note. I don't write a million words. I share my story through video, and that's who I am, helping you out, figuring out, hey, I showed you an issue. It takes time to learn. Have a great day, everybody. 15 seconds later, my light goes out. I don't have my e-brake light on. I don't need to have it on a level ground.